Hi Gemini, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 14th of April to the 21st of April. I'm going to look at your energies and see what's coming to you in this week. This is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Gemini. So, what's around you? What is the influence is the strength and the judgment. So, these two cards are your influences. So strength in a situation has to be seen, has to be worked. This is compassion. This is about resisting situations with patience. This is about that quiet power that is required. It's very feminine in nature, this energy. And the judgment is about what we have to be realistic, how far we have come, what we have done, whether we are getting too much into our expectation, whether we are dealing with the correct people, whether we are doing the right thing. All these questions will be on your mind. So you have to be compassionate about your performance from the past, whether it is in your personal life or in your professional life. So do not judge yourself unnecessarily in this time period, or judge someone else with coldness. What they are asking you in this time period is to be compassionate while judging someone, be compassionate while judging your performance, be compassionate when you are judging your situations in life, your children, your spouse, your lover. In this time you have to be more insightful regarding your fears, your desires, your expectations in life. So you are very soon nearing a situation where you will be getting out of difficulties or burdens. That is what I am seeing. Something could be draining you or making you fearful, or there is some disadvantage. So you will come out of it. It is going to finish. So you got to have the patience, and the correct appraisal needs to be done of your situation. So how you are going to feel in this time period is there is some misunderstanding between a couple. There could be Eight of Swords. This could be misunderstanding your capability or caliber. You could be self-doubting in this time period, whether in personal or professional situations. So there could be a false anxiety or a false fear around you, and that is causing miscommunication between two people maybe. So what you require to do is to do this and break situation. You have to take a break with the Four of Swords. This means that you are in between a battle, but you cannot keep doing something all the time, because it will not give you the thinking time. So whenever we are in a battle, we have to take rest, and you have to break away from that situation, take some rest, and figure out your next situation, next step. So the Hermit is required. So you could be in the hermit mode, keeping yourself away from the noise, or the suggestions, or the lot of chatter around you. You will take some time out in this time period, and you will start feeling better, because self introspection is required. Because when you require wisdom from yourself, you have to do this self retrospection, introspection about situations of the past, about the current situation, and then move forward. So there is going to be a breakthrough in this week with the Page of Wands. A good news can come to you. There can be situations which could be giving you some kind of recognition or collaboration. Energies are coming through with the Three of Pentacles. You could be in an intuitive mode in this time period, or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces energy, or a Scorpio energy. There is a Tower situation. Something external could be causing surprises in this time period, but you will be managing with the Two of Pentacles. You will be weighing your options regarding external factors that are creating some upheaval or some kind of uprootment, displacement. There could be a journey, there could be a travel, there could be a shift in your personal approach or your external approach regarding situations. So there could be a Knight of Wands energy entering your life, could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone could be around you, someone could be going away, or someone could be coming in. There could be a Tower situation, that is a surprise which is external, and you will be in two minds regarding a situation, or you could be managing it, but you could be requiring some help. So this could be a health situation as well. It can come to you surprisingly, or you could be dealing with some emotional situation as well, or a setback of some kind connected to a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So there could be this energy as well. Angels are asking you, or angels are asking you, that if you have gone through a setback in a situation, you need to be like the King of Pentacles. Concentrate on your job, money, career, finance. Do not concentrate on emotional issues. You will find your path. The new idea, motivation can come to you. The options will come in front of you. You will find the correct option, and the correct option is sometimes the knowledge comes from within, and the idea, motivation or new passion comes from within. You could be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be moving towards self exploration, self discovery, or you could be moving towards a bigger picture in your life. Could be going for adventure, movement, or a journey, or moving towards new goals or contribution through your own efforts. That is what I am saying. Becoming a leader in a situation, becoming a hero in a situation, and making the decisions for yourself. So underlying energy is, there is a stalemate. There could be a stalemate with a partner, so you have to give it time. There could be illusions on both sides. There could be no answer situations or silence from the other side, and there could be an ego coming in, and you are also not speaking. So there is a stalemate in your job or career or a love situation connected to a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So what you need to do is to be either very, very accepting or quiet, or you have to deal with this person with some kind of looking at the bigger picture and waiting for situations to change. Take a break in this time period. If something is not going through, take a break of 2 to 3 days, 4 days, and things will change for you, because time always makes the difference. Sometimes the invisible parameter in our life is time. And with the Six of Wands, there is definitely a victory after the darkness. So with the Six of Wands, you are overcoming your odds in this time period, getting attention, getting love, or getting a pat on your back in your job or a career situation. You are overcoming a difficulty and going towards victory. Unexpectedly, what is arriving this week is wish fulfillment energy, that is the Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups is arriving with the progressive energies of Eight of Wands and Three of Wands. Very fiery energies are coming in. There is going to be great expectations attached to a new change which is towards progress, and that is going to give you your wish fulfillment and individual liberation in this time period. The outcome is, if you leave emotional sadness, if you can move on from that, you can start a new situation, a renewal, or a new association, partnership, new a way of starting once again with your partner or with a situation. So there can be a new beginning coming to you if you depart from a situation that is not working for you. So there is moon and the devil which is prevailing, so that is darkness, shadowy energies or darkness, and that is creating a lag in your life. So best is to avoid this, best is to leave the chains, best is to move alone or solo and become a hero in this time period to defeat temptation, distraction, shadowy energies of illusions or lack feeling. You will be able to do that. So let's look at some angel advice regarding your abundance. So abundance could be in personal life or your professional life. Let's look at that for you, Gemini, for this week. So release resentments about money. Yes, the money system of the world can seem upsetting, but holding resentments about finances just pushes your abundance away. Instead, see money as a tool you can use to better the world, and this shift will help you attract support and golden opportunities. So release resentments about money or the money system. And another card which is in the bottom of the deck is quiet retreat. So it's time to disconnect from outer world so that you can discern and process your true thoughts and feelings from your inner world. Create this quiet time for yourself and you will have more clarity about what to do next. So this is exactly what we discussed in this reading. Definitely the angels are endorsing this for you. So I wish you all the best, Gemini. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These personal readings are paid readings, and you can contact me through the email ID in the description box just below this video. Keep watching this page for free readings which I post for you periodically. Sometimes I am a bit late, but it's because of my health or because of social engagements or various other things that I have to deal with. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.